And on to the second EP3 of the day. So this one's had a few modifications since we last mapped it, so we're going to map it again. Friday afternoon, Richard.
Yeah, nearly home time. Finish early on Friday, don't we?
Yeah. When's that ever happened?
Never. Not once.
The trouble with Fridays is people leave things to the last minute and then it's like, oh, it's Friday.
Yeah.
And then we're like, oh, we don't want this here on Monday.
Yeah, so then you end up stopping late finishing it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You never get an early finish. Never works out that way. Well, not in my opinion.
I'll finish you off.
Cheers, mate. I appreciate it.
I didn't mean it like that.
No. I thought it was an offer.
No, I was just going to throw you down the stairs.
Oh, okay.
I ain't got nothing to say.
Dan said he didn't got nothing to say.
I ain't got nothing to say.
Oh,
It's Friday, got starting hours.
Friday afternoon. Apparently he's peaked for the day, is what he said.
I peaked.
He's peaked for the day, his enthusiasm's lacking, and he wants to go home again. But, well,
That's not how it works around here.
that's not how it works, is it?
No.
Well,
Because this guy's coming to get his car at 5 o'clock.
yeah, can we get his car at 5? So you're stuck here till 5.
So at 20 past 5?
Yeah, so 20 past 5, we'll get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, nice black EP3. We've mapped this car before already. Guy's done some further modification, or I don't know if it's necessarily modifications, but I think he's made some changes to the exhaust.
I think
as well.
he changed his manifold because his flexi was shot.
Yeah.
And then he bought a 3-inch exhaust system and then had custom chrome put more baffles in it.
Yeah. So yeah, he's had that done anyway. It sounds, quiet for a 3 system, so it's probably wise, like you say, he's had it modified to do that. Complained that the pops and bangs had dropped off a little bit. It's not on.
Okay.
Pops and bangs had dropped off a little bit, and obviously wanted mapping for the modifications in which you got.
Made some flames.
Made some flames, made adjustments to the overrun map, obviously to suit the exhaust that's on there now. Obviously just ran through and checked the fueling. Again, not a massive amount of increase. This car made good power in my opinion for the mods that were on it. I think it was 233 last time when it left us with 193 wheel horsepower. I didn't really expect to improve on peak power, to be honest. We made a little bit in the mid-range. Only a tiny little bit, to be fair, but not a massive amount. It's just a case of making sure the fueling was correct for the
Yeah,
mods
that's
that were
right.
on
I
the
mean,
car.
that was the remit. Make sure everything's okay and get some flames out of it.
Yeah,
so
so
we did well there.
we've done that. We didn't make any peak power, which I didn't expect to, because it already had half decent mods on, in my opinion.
It could
last time.
actually improve upon where it is, though, couldn't it? Because the induction kit could be better.
Yeah, induction kit could be better. I don't think there's a lot in that. Again, I think it could be better, but the bit in it. Where this guy would make more progress would be inlet manifold. We're still on stock inlet manifold. So, like I say, the absolute peak I've ever seen is 235 with the stock inlet on. So,
Yeah.
233 and 230, well, 231 where we finished today, 233 where we finished last time with it. You're about at the peak of it. With an absolutely mint induction kit, we might have seen that 235, and then that would have been it. There would be nothing more to add.
Yeah, man.
So, should we have a look at the ref?
No. Just tired, mate. Oh, go on, we'll have a look at the graph. Okay, so as we always say, blue line is as she came in, red line is as she leaves, and as you can tell, no peak power gains there. Made a little bit of the mid-range, and Richard's got the fuel and bag on where he wants it. We made some flames, and there's not much more to write home about. Finished on... Oh yeah, I've got my colours the wrong way round, ain't I? Yeah, I have. So, blue line is as she came in, red line is as she leaves. As you can tell, that's fairly obvious. And we finish on 231 brake horsepower, which is 195 at the wheels. Yeah, nice Civic. I know he's a Jap fan. He's got an Evo 6 as well that he's modifying and having mapped. So, yeah, good one. Rich, it's got to be home time soon.
Not long.
Not long.
Not long.
Right, well, I've been Danny. Tired Danny today. And that's been Rich. What's that?
It's a boy beating stick.
Better find some boys then, ain't you? I identify it as a turtle. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed. It's not printed. Why is this? Load white paper. I've loaded paper. I've loaded it. I don't want to print an alignment page. Just print what I told you to print. The cartridges are set for default. I know that. Oh my. You better start printing. Don't make noises out there.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.